Good day, Nikki. Thank you for joining us in this interview. This is part of our research titled The Live Experiences of Grade 11 STEM Students at Golden Faith Academy on how English proficiency influences their academic performance. With us today is Mrs. Nikki Esteve, who will help us explore this topic further. So, Mrs. Tebe, we truly appreciate your time and insights, and we hope our study will be stronger and meaningful after discussion. So, let's start. For my first question, how do you describe your experiences in using English in academic tasks such as reading, writing, and class participation?
My experience using English for schoolwork has ups and downs for me. Reading in English really boosts my vocabulary and helps me understand things better. And writing gives me a chance to share my ideas more clearly. But when it comes to joining class discussions, I sometimes have a hard time finding the right words, especially when I need to explain tricky concepts.
That's a very thoughtful question. And for my next question is, what challenges do you encounter when your English proficiency affects your academic performance?
A big challenge I deal with is getting a grip on all the technical jargons in reading or lectures. I also have a hard time writing essays or reports smoothly because I stress over grammar and how my sentence sounds. These issues sometimes mess my confidence and hold my school progress.
Oh, so speaking of that, how do you cope with or how do you cope with or overcome difficulties related to English proficiency in your studies?
I deal with these challenges by practicing a lot, like reading English books and articles, watching educational videos, and using online tools to check my grammar. And I also reach out to my teacher or classmates whenever I have questions. Just keeping up regular practice and exposure really helps me to get better over time.
I really love that, Miss. So for my next question is, in what ways do you perceive the relationship between English proficiency and your overall academic success?
I think being good at English is really helps with doing well in school since and most lessons, materials, and tests are in English. When I can speak English, and write clearly, it makes it easier to understand things and share my thoughts. The better I get at English, the more confident I feel at my studies.
I really love that. And for my last question is, in what ways do you think overcoming these challenges can help strengthen your English proficiency in your daily academic tasks?
Facing these challenges really helps me to get better at communicating and understanding things. Every time I challenge myself to read, write, or speak in English, I feel more confident in my fluency improves. Eventually, all these little gains make schoolwork easier and help me to do better overall.
I really love that. So that's all. Thank you so much, Mrs. Esteve, for sharing your time and insights with us. Your answers will truly help us gain a deeper understanding of the lived experiences of grade 11 STEM students at Golden Faith Academy on how English proficiency influences their academic performance. Thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you, Mr. Garcia, for participating in this interview. So before we start, I would just like to announce some few disclaimers. First, this interview is for a research study with the title The Life Experiences of Grade 11 STEM Students at Golden Faith Academy on how English proficiency influences their academic performance. Secondly, the information that the interviewee will provide will be kept confidential. And lastly, the interviewee may end or leave the interview at any given time they want. So, for the first question, how do you describe your experiences in using English in academic tasks such as reading, writing, and class participation?
Okay, so thank you. Well, I would say my experience in English in academic tasks have been a very shaky road. Since it is not my first language, it is a part of me that I would struggle a bit. But it helps me like a blessing. Because later on, it becomes handy over time, such as I can confidently answer and understand things in English. And that's it.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chris. So, the second question is, what challenges do you encounter when your English proficiency affects your academic performance?
So, the challenges I've faced at first is, of course, understanding in English again since it is not my first language, but then I overcome it. Then now I had now a bit of struggle in eloquency since again I'm still practicing.
So the third question is, how do you cope with or overcome difficulties related to English proficiency in your studies?
Can you repeat, sir?
Sorry. How do you cope with or overcome difficulties related to English proficiency in your studies?
Okay, so I cope by, like I said earlier, I'm still practicing. By that I can say that I'm overcoming my difficulties by training my English proficiency.
So second to last question. In what ways do you perceive the relationship between English proficiency and your overall academic performance?
Okay, so I believe that it has a definite connection, not only in academics but also in professional world. Because in today's world, I think English is the common medium in communicating. But in terms of academic, again, such as your question, it will help students to understand and learn faster. So for my case, I can confidently say it as a relation.
So the last question is, in what ways do you think overcoming these challenges can help you strengthen your English proficiency in your daily academic tasks?
So by being exposed to English speaking language environment, I think it will help you overcome your struggles. But I do think that struggles will um make you feel what do I call it? It will shaken you a bit, but by practicing and challenging yourself about developing your English proficiency, it is ideal enough to in very near future you will have a better English skill such as understanding and fluency. So thank you for that.
So thank you, Mr. Garcia, for participating in this interview. Again, your information will be kept confidential and will not be shared with anyone. Furthermore, if you want a copy of our research, you can reach out to us and we will send you a copy. Again, thank you, Mr. Garcia, for participating.
Yes, of course.
Good morning, Lehan. Thank you so much for having me today. And now I have five questions for you. How do you describe your experience in using English in academic tasks such as reading, writing, and class participation?
I would say that it was helpful in doing my academic tasks, even if I'm not that fluent in speaking English.
Okay. Next, what challenges do you encounter when your English proficiency affect your academic performance?
I find it challenging a little bit when doing essays or written works in English, since my knowledge in English is limited.
Thank you for that answer. Next question is, how do you cope with or overcome difficulties related to English proficiency in your studies?
I I overcome it by practicing my English little by little.
I understand. Next question is, in what ways do you perceive the relationship between English proficiency and overall academic success?
I believe having good English proficiency could improve my academic success since English language is mostly used in academic tasks.
Thank you for that answer. Last question is, in what ways do you believe that overcoming these challenges help you strengthen your English proficiency in daily academic tasks?
By overcoming these challenges, I can strengthen my weaknesses and improve them little by little, which can also help me in doing my daily academic tasks.
Again, thank you so much for answering my questions. I really appreciate your help. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Romel Jake Arvalia from 11 Adobe. And here's my classmate, John Oliver Philip. And he is qualified for our research. Sir JP, how are you today?
I am feeling okay.
That's good for you. And since you are selected to have an interview with me, you have to answer my questions about our research. Is that okay for you?
Yes,
Okay. So my first question is, how do you describe your experiences in using academic in English in academic tasks such as reading, writing, and class participation?
I actually prefer answering questions in English. I prefer reciting in class in English and explaining myself in English.
Wow, that's good for you, Sir JP. And my next question is, what challenges do you encounter when your English proficiency affects your academic performance?
Uh, my English proficiency I can say is very good, but my Tagalog proficiency is not that good. And since my main way of answering questions is in English, I find it hard to answer in Tagalog.
Oh, so how do you cope with how do you cope with or overcome difficulties related to English proficiency on your studies?
My English proficiency is good, but I still make mistakes sometimes, especially in essay writing. I get a lot of deductions because my grammar sometimes is not correct all the time.
Alright. Next question. In what ways do you perceive the relationship of between English proficiency and your overall academic success?
For me, academic success is being able to recite in class properly. And so the relationship between my English proficiency and academic performance is very good.
In what ways do you believe that overcoming these challenges helps you strengthen your English proficiency in daily academic tasks?
Can you repeat that?
In what ways do you believe that overcoming these challenges helps you strengthen your English proficiency in daily academic tasks?
These challenges help me because uh, it I guess it improves my grade in essay writing if I fix my mistakes in grammar.
Okay. Thank you, Sir JP, for having your time and have a wonderful evening. And thank you for listening to us. And that's all. Thank you.